Greetings, District 47. A few weeks ago, Dave mentioned the future of iPads, specifically in the kindergarten through second grade and various other classrooms such as Encores. We know that there are questions out there regarding this topic. Since we want to keep these videos brief, please be on the lookout for electronic communication coming soon. Over the course of the videos, you may have noticed something different about my Gmail inbox. The colors, the labels, and how the messages are ordered. When you first use Gmail, you're in the default inbox type, and emails are stacked in the order that they are delivered. Regardless if you read them or not, the emails stay in their chronological order. The mail type that I use is called Priority Inbox, and you can get to this option by hovering over the word Inbox, reveal the little drop-down arrow, click that, and then select Priority Inbox. Immediately, you will notice sections are added for unread messages, starred, and everything else, which includes what you've read. This mode is extremely helpful for my email workflow because most of my emails do not require a reply. I simply read and move on using these handy arrows up here. But if I have a message that requires my response, I star them and keep going through the unread ones, of course, and smashing that spam button where it applies. Now when I look at my inbox, it's hard for me to forget what emails need follow through because they're right there at the top starred section. If I send a reply, I take away the star. No more stars means I'm all caught up, and the ones that still have stars, I might need more time to review. Another way that I process email more efficiently is by way of labels. Start by deciding what kind of emails you want to stand out with labels. First, create your label by going to More on the left side, scroll down and click Create New Label. Give your label a name. Now I want to give it a color. Go back over and hover on the label and click on the three dots and give it a color. Now I use a search box to find the emails that I want to apply this label to. For this example, I want emails that come from this specific vendor. Then I hit search. Click on the drop down and click Create Filter. Click Apply the Label, then choose the label and then check to also apply to matching conversations. Click Create Filter and ta-da! Now any emails matching the rule will also have a color pop, quickly catching my eye in case I need to focus on them first. That's all we have for today. See you next time.